This is an instructional video for qualified medical professionals on programming the medi PCS brio, a pneumatic compression system. First, place the medi PCS brio on a flat, sturdy surface near an electrical outlet. The surface should be free of miscellaneous items that could cause the air outflow ports to become blocked during treatment. Locate the power supply jack on the back of the power control unit, or PCU, and plug the circular end of the power supply into the PCU. Plug the opposite end of the power supply into an outlet. Turn on the PCU by pressing the power switch on the back side of the unit. When you turn on the PCU, the treatment summary screen will appear. This screen shows all the treatment parameters for the program currently stored in memory. The Settings button will take you to the main settings screen, where you can adjust all PCU settings. If the Settings button is not visible, proceed to the last section of this video tutorial for instructions on unlocking the PCU. The Start button will begin a treatment session. Press the Settings button to begin programming the PCU. Select one of the 4 language options. Press Next to continue. Set the desired distal pressure. The distal pressure is the amount of pressure that will be applied by the most distal chamber of the garment. This will be at the hand or foot, depending on whether an arm or leg garment is used. Distal pressure can be set from 20 to 80 millimeters of mercury. The PCU is preloaded with a distal pressure of 50 millimeters of mercury. Press Next to continue. Set the desired step value. The step value is the increment by which the compression level will decrease between each chamber of the garment from distal to proximal. The step value can be changed in 1 millimeter of mercury increments, ranging from 1 to 60, but no chamber will ever allow a pressure of less than 20 millimeters of mercury. The PCU is preloaded with a default step value of 3 millimeters of mercury. Set the desired treatment time. The treatment time can be set in 5-minute increments, ranging from 10 minutes to 3 hours. Press Next to continue. Set the access level. Select the Locked Lock symbol to lock the unit and only allow the patient to start and stop the unit with the current treatment systems. This is the recommended setting for patient use. Select the Open Lock symbol to unlock the unit and allow access and modification to all treatment settings. Press Next to continue. Set the beeper. Select the sounding alarm symbol to turn the beeper on. When turned on, the beeper will sound when buttons are touched, when an error occurs, and at the end of treatment. Select the crossed out alarm symbol to turn off the beeper. When turned off, the beeper will only sound when an error occurs. Press Next to continue. Setup is now complete, and you will be returned to the treatment summary screen. The medi PCS brio is now ready to operate. If you must unlock or change the treatment settings after the initial programming, the PCU contains a hidden feature that allows the user to unlock the PCU and change the access level, thus enabling them to change the treatment settings. To access this feature, first turn off the PCU by pressing the power switch. Then turn the PCU back on and immediately press and hold the upper left corner of the screen for approximately 5 seconds. A small rectangle will display in the upper left corner of the startup screen. You will then be redirected to the language settings screen. From there, you can now proceed to all settings, including access level, to unlock the PCU.